Hi everybody, welcome back to the How to Simple Tunnel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the default applications in your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to open settings, and here now we have to scroll all the way down to the apps. Here if you tap apps tab, choose default apps. Here, as you can see, we have browser application. If we tap that, we can select between Chrome and Samsung Internet, or the one that you have installed. Here they have Caller ID and Spam app, none or phone. We can tap that. Digital Assistant application, Home application, which is the launcher actually, phone, SMS, wallet, opening links, browser application. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.